Hey, I'm Tim Green with WMD Guns. I'm going to be walking you through the SlingStock and SlingStock Elite today to show you some of the tips and tricks that I've learned to keep this thing fluid and to always be functioning properly for you. Obviously, it's a very versatile tool, so you're going to find some things that work better for you, but these will at least get you started. I encourage you to use an unloaded and safe firearm while working with the SlingStock, especially while you're learning the way to do it. SlingStock spool release button. In the rearward position, the strap is locked in place. Slide the button forward till it clicks. The strap can now be adjusted in freewheel mode. Temporary adjustments can be made by squeezing the button in, adjusting the strap length, and releasing the button to lock it to the preferred length. Starting with an unloaded and safe AR, you see I've removed the manufacturer's stock. I slide on the SlingStock. I pinch the latch lever and slide it forward. I can then adjust by pushing down on the latch lever or squeezing up on the latch lever. Adjust the stock to my desired length.